My name is Zachary Leitzel. I am the co-creator of the Ergonomically Enhanced Ocular Impression Trays. I was approached by a board-certified ocularist named Christina King, and together we were able to improve upon the current impression trays.
Although the current ones on the market are my favorite, I've noticed that they kind of lacked a few things. It's not very true to a person's socket. My background is industrial design, and we studied a lot of ergonomics, and especially in the human body, and we all know from doing this work that no one's body is the same.
Actually, they're more comfortable than the old way that they did it, because the old way was just this generic shape, but your socket had to shape it into the position that it was going to be in. And so that was a lot more irritating because I think it aggravated the tissue a lot. And I found that this was just so much more comfortable, I think.
I have a background in 3D modeling and also 3D printing. Working with Christina, we were able to come up with 15 more of the common shapes, 3D model them, improve upon them, and then print them out as one full solid piece. We came up with this little numbering system, not only for our own records, but for the ocularist as well, so they can quickly have a reference to what shape they need if they would need a new eye. Also adding just a simple L and an R for left and right, so they can quickly just pick up whichever one they need right off the bat. Oddly enough, in making the numbering system and the left and right and printing them directly onto the stem, we found that it also serves as a nice grip. So when the tray is in the eye, as the alginate is drying, the ocularist will have a better hold on the tray so it won't slip or rotate while it's in the socket and drying, and the overall read will be much more accurate in the end.
This newer tray allows me the ability to free up time, which if I'm able to order it from another company, they can send me out up to 30 trays that are not only symmetric in shape, I can get a left and a right that kind of have a mirror image. If I were to personally make this by hand, I don't think that I would be able to process this and have it perfectly symmetric. I like the ability to have 15 different shapes at my fingertips. And also affordability. Affordability is a huge thing. As someone that is newly board certified a few years in, I find that I'm still kind of looking for something that works for me and works for my patients and helps them. And the affordability, I think, is priced at a fraction of what is currently available. And I think this would really help everyone in the industry.
I feel like a feather. You know, it feels like there's nothing in the eye. It felt like normal, like as if I had a normal eye in there. Because when we did the bulky ones, you had to do several impressions.
Right.
Where this one, you only did one. And I look forward to a new eye. How's that sound?